Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Zklink token. Ticker symbol is ZKL. This is brought to you by a project called Zklink Labs, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Zklink is actively developing an aggregated roll-up infrastructure secured by zero-knowledge proof and multi-chain statement synchronization to interconnect various Layer 1 and Layer 2 ecosystems by aggregating native crypto assets from separate blockchains into one unified platform. So Zklink simplifies the complexities associated with deploying dApps across multiple chains. Additionally, it aims to unify fragmented liquidity across ecosystems and significantly reduce transaction costs. So with the rapid advancement of blockchain space and multi-chain, multi-layer landscapes emerged with the presence of Layer 1 blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, and Ethereum Layer 2 rollups such as Arbitrum, Zksync, and Starknet. So users navigate between different L1 chains and L2 rollups to meet specific needs, utilizing a diverse array of crypto tokens. So while the proliferation of new chains and rollups presents significant value for crypto users worldwide, it also possesses unforeseen challenges of fragmentation. For users, this leads to increased costs and security risks for cross-chain transactions, and for developers, a complex multi-chain dApp development environment. So Zklink addresses the above issues by building an aggregated roll-up infrastructure to achieve cross-chain liquidity across aggregation and simplify multi-chain dApp deployment. Through multi-chain state synchronization, dApps can securely access the liquidity from any connected chains by leveraging zero-knowledge proof technology. It provides a high throughput, low cost, and secure environment for the dApps of all kinds. Some of the key features of Zklink's infrastructure include native asset aggregation, so applications using Zklink infra solution will be able to access the native tokens across the connected L1s and L2s, allowing users to trade multi-chain assets on a unified user interface. Low fee and high scalability. So Zklink's modular stack provides unparalleled scalability for dApps building on top of the ecosystem. Zero-knowledge proof technology can dramatically reduce execution costs and provide for a blazing fast user experience. Also, minimum security assumption. So every transaction on Zklink infra undergoes verification via zero-knowledge proof. Third-party asset bridges are not needed for bridging assets onto Zklink infra, thus eliminating cross-chain asset bridging risks. So multi-chain state synchronization is achieved via transmitting Zksync hash of on-chain transactions, which prevents malicious operations like sending fraud deposit information. Currently, Zklink serves two product lines. So number one is the Zklink Nova. Zklink Nova is an EVM-compatible aggregated layer 3 roll-up network built on top of Ethereum, and it's layer 2 roll-ups. So dApp developers can deploy Solidity smart contracts on Nova's open platform and have immediate access to liquidity and native assets from all integrated networks such as Ethereum, Arbitrum, Zksync, Linea, and much more. Nova inherits Ethereum's security by achieving multi-chain state synchronization via an Ethereum smart contract, which forwards on-chain transaction sync hashes through the roll-up bridges. And then we also have the Zklink X, which is an aggregated roll-up infrastructure for customized high-performance applications with their own sovereignty. Zklink X serves as the middleware that abstracts away from the complexity of multi-chain deployment, making developers feel like building on a single chain with multi-chain liquidity. Its modular architecture allows developers to customize the key components. For example, DA solution and multi-chain settlement schemes meet diverse demands of different use cases. It provides a trading-specific ZK VM that empowers high-throughput, low-cost app roll-up solution and high-performance financial applications such as order book DEX. So the Zklink protocol is an aggregated ZK roll-up infrastructure with a modular architecture allowing for various components on modules to be easily interchanged, upgraded, or added as needed. This modular approach provides flexibility and scalability by combining multiple specialized blockchains and technologies. So Zklink protocol is composed of 4 layers: the settlement layer, the execution layer, the sequencing layer, and the DA layer. These 4 layers are decoupled for customized roll-up deployment. The following sections on their white paper, which is 16 pages, will introduce the protocol from the perspective of the 4 layers. So you can go over that yourself if you want to read more about the settlement layer, all the different layers, the execution layer, etc. They have a 16-page white paper. They also have a document section. They have product information, Bridge, Explorer, GitHub, Playground, Order Book DEX, AMM, their Zklink X scan, blog, Twitter, Discord, Telegram, audits, career section, contact, brand resources, ecosystem, etc. Even more links: Medium, Discord, Telegram, Twitter. I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there at Zklink_official, so you guys can easily find this project. They have security partners, Secure3, ABDK Consulting. They have tons of other partners on here as well. And they also have here a brand new listing announcement. So it says here that pre-market trading for Zklink commenced yesterday on the 24th at 2 p.m. UTC time on a central exchange called Gate. So if you're looking to get this token right now, they are doing pre-market trading on Gate. You could go to gate.io for more information on your desktop, or you could download Gate from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. There's a max total supply of 1 billion ZKL tokens. And so Zklinks is developing leading zero-knowledge blockchain solutions for the Ethereum ecosystem. Its flagship zero-knowledge aggregated Layer 3 ZK EVM rollup network, Zklink Nova, is designed to bridge the gap among different Layer 2 rollup ecosystems to reduce liquidity fragmentation while providing scalability and security via ZK proofs. That's what, in a nutshell, this project's all about. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about Zklink? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.